If you want to know how I made this creamy smoothie bowl with the magic bullet, please watch. So my base for the smoothie will be frozen blueberries, and I will be adding some bananas. I'm not adding frozen bananas, but if you prefer, you can add frozen. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of protein powder. This is optional, and then I will be adding a little bit of water. Be cautious, if too much water, it will not be fluffy. Now what I'm doing here is making sure that all the water and the protein goes straight to the blade so it can be a smooth consistency. Since the magic bullet only has 250 watts, sometimes the fruits can get stuck on the blender and it will need a little bit of help. So once more, I heard the fruits getting stuck to the blender and it just needed a little bit more help. Now you're seeing everything is beginning to blend together. Look how creamy it looks. Don't it just look delicious? Now this step is all optional. Just choose your toppings and just have fun with it. So I'm adding frozen blackberries, then I will be adding some strawberries, right now I'm adding coconut chips, and I'm also adding almonds. Then I will also be adding chia seeds. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow our social media at LonnieLoveAJ on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And we also have a TikTok.